Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. These are the new winged houses for the fantasy series. There are $12 to collect, and not only do they cry magic tears, but the tears are different colors. I think this series is really adorable. And to your left, you're going to be seeing the Crybabies Magic Tears limited edition. This is a limited edition bottle house that I got from New York Toy Fair. I wanted to share with you just so you can get an idea. It's just a glitterified version of a Crybabies doll. So let's get that unboxed first. Really glitterified on the roof. This is something that you could totally do on your own. You could paint it and add a lot of glitter and make your own sparkly roof. Fortunate, so thank you so much to IMC Toys. Get it open. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So adorable. I love the stars on her face. Even has sparkly hair. I think this is so adorable. Look at her little hands. We have a little bow here with a heart. They're posable, and of course they do cry. So you feed the baby and you give her head a squeeze and they cry some tears. Now, normally in the model house, you would rip open each thing. Because it's limited edition, I don't want to do that. But the secret is that you could actually remove these little nails over here, and I call them nails. They're not really nails, but I'll just call them that because they keep everything in place. You just pop them up and keep this part intact, the paper part, and not disturb any of the perforations. All of the perforations intact. Oh my gosh! Okay, so we have a bottle and it's black with gold on top, and we don't have anything else but a golden bow and a golden passy. That is super cute. And we have a really cute star chair with a plant with the moon inside. Let's put the passy in. So we have a gold passy and a gold ribbon. That's so cool. Open up the Crybabies Magic Tears. Thank you so much to IMC Toys for sending this to us. You could check out my other unboxing video featuring the unboxing of these adorable dolls. I'm also on TikTok and on Instagram at play.live.repeat. TikTok, I'm Toy Mom. So this series actually comes with 9 surprises. That includes a doll. And there's a chance to find the rare shimmery diamond accessories. IMC Toys has some great toys coming out, so make sure you check out my New York Toy Fair video. That is in the Toy Fair playlist for 2020, or you can check out my IMC Toys playlist for all of the awesome toys that I unboxed by that company. They make such adorable toys, and I love their new bloopies, the mermaids, the Shellies. I'll unbox that in another video along with my bloopies collection that I actually have. Let's get this winged bottle house open. Let's see how I gotta take that tape off. Oh my gosh, even though I already opened these, I'm still amazed with how cool that blind bag is. Look at the heels. What is in here? So we have a new style chair with a tray so she can eat and hang out and be safe inside of her new high chair. She is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this adorable outfit. It's pink with sparkles inside. She's like almost translucent. She even has like glossy feet. Oh my gosh, her shimmery pink hair is so adorable. Her little antenna, she's so cute. She's like a little ladybug. We have an adorable ladybug themed blanket that she could lay down on. We have a collector's guide over here. And these are all the ones you can get. The one we got is Lady. What your kiddo is gonna open and how's it gonna open. So this pacifier is pink and it's sparkly. New winged bottle. It has wings on the side also. Really adorable. Whoa. Okay. Oh my gosh. We have like a little lipstick. That's really cute. Or is it lipstick or is it nail polish? I can't tell. Take a look at what's behind this narrow door. Oh my goodness. We have our little bib. Oh my gosh. Oh, we have a little ladybug purse so we could put our little like nail polish or lipstick inside. It has a little heart on it. Your chance to get the diamond version of the pacifier or the bib, or you're just gonna get a sad face with a tear. So let's see what we got. Just rip that part open. Whoa. And we got the sad face with the tear, but it just flew up in the air and I have no idea where it went. So it comes with a bunch of stickers. It says Lady on it. Has like a window. This is her little pet that you can get in the pet series. And the pet series is really cute. That's also expanding for this the summer. So this is really cute. There's everything that you can put as stickers inside of her bottle house. And I just ripped the sticker. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's put like her makeup in here. Or maybe you want to put it outside. I would put it outside. That's what I do on all of them. Super duper cute. Now the best part, let's make her cry. Yes, that's what I love to do. I love to make babies cry. Okay, now that I filled the bottle, we're gonna feed her. Oh, she's really crying. Ah! And it looks like she has blue tears. She's crying blue magical tears. And when you're done with making her cry, you can just empty her out by pulling this plug over here and squeeze out the water. Now, the best part is that she will always cry this color tears. There is some kind of magic inside of this little baby doll. So every time you give her something to drink, like water, she will cry blue magic tears. Now, right now, her tears aren't as dark, so I'm gonna give her a shake. And they should get deeper in color. And I did this with my other Magic Tears ones, and they are still going strong with that blue. So you can see there's like a little tint of blue there. Some is actually darker than others. If you check out my other video, she's like, what? She's really crying. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below. If you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, do your thing. Can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a cry-tastic day.